Hi, my name's Keith Creeley. I'm in the Ziamatic booth 2022 FDIC. I'm showing you our EZ-LOC Bracket. It's a mechanical SCBA bracket, and it has a few features I want to go over which makes it stand out from others. So these are offered in any style in which any seat manufacturer can incorporate to their seats, and you can use the standard locking mechanism that has a pull release using a ball knob. You simply pull the release, the top flips up out of the way, and off you go. You can pull the top clamp down, and even with one clamp, 2 clips, or 3 clips all the way, it's secure, locked, and there is no false locking with this bracket. It will lock every time when you do that. You can also incorporate the seat manufacturer's standard cam integral to their seat cushion release. So if you want a center pull release and you want to lean forward and pull those releases from the center of that cushion, you can do that with this bracket, and the seat manufacturers and the truck manufacturers will have that option also.